Hey, Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're a pet owner, this is going to be life-changing, and I'm not even exaggerating. Now, this is the Teendow D20 Max Plus robot vacuum. It is a combination of a robot vac, a mop, and a dog grooming set. Now, wait till you see how this works. So the vacuum and mop obviously work on this unit. This robot vac works so well at mapping out your entire house. So you map it out the first time and it will get every inch of the available floor, which I love. So you can choose to have just the vacuum or just the mop or both. It adapts according to whatever's in the way, so you don't have to worry if you move a chair or something. I end up keeping a lot of my doors closed, but when it's done with my house, I still have about 60% of the battery life left. It's got really great suction because, as I said, it's made for pet owners. So if you have a lot of pet hair, dust, dander, it's gonna collect all of that for you. The app also allows you to schedule. You can connect it to your smart devices. So user-friendly. Now, this is where it gets really cool. When your robot vac goes back to the charging station, it pulls all of that dirt out and into the bag that's in this top part. Now, this has a handle because it comes off, and you use it as a dog grooming pet vac. So it comes with several attachments, and then you can groom your pet. I love this. We have a mini golden doodle. I have to cut his hair at least every 2 months. And so this makes it so easy. So you attach the hose to the vacuum and you can put on your clippers, and then it will suck the hair in as you cut it. So it saves you all the mess. It makes for an even cut. If you have a cat or a dog that sheds, you can brush out their fur. It will collect it all again in the bag. And you can use it as a vacuum with the hose as well. This thing blows my mind. It's so time-saving, super efficient, very easy to use, and a must-have for pet owners. I'm telling you, you're gonna feel so spoiled with this in your home, and that's my point of view.